Hi everyone, Geoff here. On September 1st, we released the next wave of customer engagement, what we called Ambassador 3.0, now powered by HiroAI. We didn't just rebuild a platform, we redefined what this entire category could be. For more than a decade, referral, loyalty, and advocacy platforms have been running on legacy technologies. They've been patched together, siloed, and disconnected from how brands actually grow. Meanwhile, marketing costs skyrocketed, retention fell, and teams were being asked to do more with less. So we rebuilt something different, an AI native platform that connects every part of the customer journey. Referrals, incentives, loyalty, and advocacy, all orchestrated in one place. And it has HiroAI automating what happens next. You see, this is the new era of customer growth. And today, I'm excited to show you what it looks like inside the product. I want to start first with audiences. Audiences is where you keep all of your contacts. What's great about Ambassador is we give you the flexibility to connect one of your existing CRM systems or your existing systems to the platform to allow you to sync your contacts over. From there, you build segments. These are going to be critical segments that you're looking at where you might have your successful referrers, you're never engaged. But what we're finding, because Ambassador is an end-to-end platform, you can also engage inactive users, or what we call zombie contacts. This platform is more than just a referral platform. You can engage others through the automation tools that we have. Next, I want to show you how easy it is to set up a campaign. At Ambassador, we look at things from a program standpoint. So when you look at a program, you're thinking affiliates, partners, referral, loyalty, retention, reviews. But right now, we're going to call it a referral program. So I'm going to get started and I'm going to build my first referral program. You then look at building campaigns. These campaigns can be viewed in two specific ways. First, you can build an evergreen, which is going to be your campaign that's constantly engaging with users. Simultaneously, you can actually have targeted campaigns. And those targeted campaigns can be seasonal, A/B testing, ICP testing. There's a lot of different things that you can do around targeted campaigns. But as you'll see here, let's do our evergreen campaign. So I'm going to call this my referral campaign, and I'm going to be giving away $250 as a reward for this specific campaign. I'm going to run it for a year, and I'm going to move on to the next piece. As you saw from the segments, inside my segment builder, I've built my segments. I now can add my super refers, and I want to add my successful refers, and it's easy as just adding them to that campaign. From there, I'm going to go to my rewards. You will see later as I go through the reward vaults, I can actually select specific reward payments. This is a CFO's dream. Reward vaults gives the flexibility of having individual vaults per campaign, or you can have multiple vaults for one campaign. This keeps things organized so you know exactly where your budgets are going and your CFO and finance team can attribute it correctly. For this one in particular, we're going to choose the cash reward link. I'm going to add it into the campaign. We have advocate experiences. You now, from our template fields, you can build your own landing pages. You can now select specific widgets that can live in your platform, on your website, in your app. You can also enable your customer portal, all from the campaign builder. Once I'm done doing that, I can then select the customer experience, where I'm going to be hosting it, how I'm going to be hosting it. I then can build my loyalty in here. I can send my emails in here. I then put my automations together. And from there, I then get to my confirmation and review. This is the flexibility and power of programs and campaigns. Where I'm going to go to next is I want to talk a little bit about audience activity. Couple key things to focus in here. One, you can actually attribute certain rewards and engagements based on orders and products now. This makes it very easy, very seamless. You now can put in your specific product offerings directly in the platform. And this is where the impact really comes in. We have built customer journeys into our platform. You now have the flexibility to build your own customer journeys, which ties everything together. This customer journey can follow your sales cycle, your advocacy cycle, and your retention cycle. So now in here, if I wanted to add another step, So after opportunity created, I want to do demo. I just add it. I move it up after opportunity created. And now I update my journey, which will update the entire ecosystem so all your things are interconnected. Next, I want to go to pages and widgets. Pages and widgets is how you engage your customer base. We have a phenomenal widget library that now you can select from. And when you're ready to go, you just select it and you can edit it directly inside of our platform. It's simple, it's easy. You can also build your own. Next is our communication channels. Here inside of our email communication, this is where you build your emails. Now, most referral programs or referral platforms, they only allow you to build emails for your referral campaigns. We have taken it a step further. We listened to our clients. They wanted an email platform that would engage customers at whatever stage they're at, whether they're in referral, they're in affiliate, or they're in advocacy, or maybe they haven't come back for a while. They've only done a purchase, a birthday offering. Whatever it might be, Ambassador gives you the flexibility to run it directly from the platform. But if you already have an email platform, you can actually automate it and have the emails trigger and send from your platform as well. It's very easy to edit these. We have our own WYSIWYG. What's truly remarkable about this feature is its editing capability with AI now. You now have the ability to generate text using HiroAI to give you the most impactful email and soon to be text message all in one flow. Text messaging will be coming out in the next 30 to 45 days, which will follow the exact same flow that you see here. Next, I want to move on to rewards and payments. This is probably one of the most impactful tools of Ambassador 3.0. Today, you can create payment vaults based on different payout structures. You no longer have to have one vault, one place, multiple transactions and incentives going through it. You can actually have multiple vaults. This makes it easier to track. It makes you easier to budget, and it gives you the flexibility to fill the vaults as you need it. These vaults have their own vault details, rules, and vault items. You have your ability to add net new catalogs. The catalogs are Tango, PayPal, Shopify, custom rewards, or coupon codes. This is the future of incentives. Ambassador has also added Storefront. If you choose to do gift cards, we allow you to keep more of your money so you can improve the campaign and its engagement. And finally, all of this comes together with our automation workflows. This is the place where the magic happens. Just like you have in your CRM systems, you have in your marketing systems, you can come in here and you can build your own automation. It ties everything together, your campaign, your emails, your send triggers, your webhooks, and you can offer different avenues for different outcomes. This is Ambassador 3.0. This is what we're calling HiroAI. So that's what we launched on September 1st, and it's only the beginning. Every 2 to 4 weeks, we're releasing new capabilities that push HiroAI. Coming up next, we have SMS Copilot, which allows you to text your customers along your email flows. We have AI for SMS, which is real-time guidance before you hit send. We have additional AI writing tools, which is adaptive content that responds to audience behavior. We have recommendation analytics, your next best action engine with predicted lift and ROI impact. We have storefront links, which is a breakthrough redemption experience that virtually eliminates unclaimed rewards. We have RBAC security and hierarchy, which is true enterprise-grade control and visibility. And finally, Model Context Protocol, or MCP. This is the AI layer that makes every orchestration smarter. We're building and shipping at light speed. This isn't about catching up to the curve. We're redefining it. Ambassador, powered by HiroAI, is the new standard for how brands grow. Unified, intelligent, and continuously evolving. If you're ready to see how this could transform your customer engagement, let's talk, because this next wave is already here.